สบายดีมื้อนี้เราจะมาเรียนการเปิดไฟเอกสารใหม่ จะมีขั้นตอนแนวใดนั้นเรามาเบิ่งพร้อมกันเลย
It's all my fault, cause pride got in the way. And I'd be lying if I said I was okay about that girl, the one I let get away. I keep saying no, this can't be the way it was supposed to be. I keep saying no, there's gotta be a way to get you close to me. Now I know you gotta speak up if you want somebody. Can't let them get away, oh no. You don't wanna end up sorry, the way that I'm feeling every day. No, 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 no. There's no hope for the broken heart. No, 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 no. There's no hope for the broken girl, but I let her get away. It's my fault, cause I said I needed space. And I've been torturing myself